Hello beautiful people, I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be very special because today we are gonna make a Maharashtrian ornament named Nath. So Nath is very famous and I had never made it ever before in my life, so I thought let's give it a try, and this has turned out to be very pretty. So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up and do try to make this different kinds of nut at your home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to it now and press the bell notification to watch amazing and creative jewelry designs like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is base, then any fabric. I'm taking the designer fabric and it's khon fabric, then zero size pearl beads like this, then golden bead chain. So this one is bigger in size. Then these are laria, or these are also called as sparkle. Then a FABRIC glue, and cutters is a plier. So to make this nut we need a kind of this shape, like a mango type of shape. So I have already drawn this shape, and now we'll quickly cut this one. Guys, I have cut it and this is how it has came. Now I'm going to take this fabric and I will first measure how much fabric is required, and then we'll cut that much fabric. So again, this is not a plain shape, so we'll have to take care while sticking this. So again, we have to check the facts while taking this. So here you can see there is the angle, so I'll cut it here because it will be easy to fold this one like this and stick this. So now I'm taking this glue and we'll start it. So I'll first start by this round side from this corner. Part. So guys, I have applied this fabric and this is how it looks. So now we are going to apply the pearl beads to this, and we'll apply them from downside. So I'm keeping it like this, and I'm taking this pearl bead and these sparkles for the same. So first I'll cut these sparkles. So I'm taking this one, and then we don't need this much big sparkle. So what we'll do is, with the help of with the help of cutter, I'll cut this much part. We just need this much, and yeah, so we need this much length of this sparkle because our knot is very small. Now I am going to add this pearl bead, and this is how it will look. And now with the help of FABRIC glue, I'll just simply keep it over here, and we are not going to attach this to whole of this body, but I'll leave some portion from here and here, and we'll just attach to this like a round shape. So I'm adding a little bit of glue in this, and then we'll add the sparkle. Make sure that this pearl bead will always remain outside of this boundary, otherwise it will not be visible. Again, I am taking another one and will apply glue, and then we'll keep it, just simply keep it over here. Once this thing get dry, it will be automatically get attached. So now we have to repeat the same process, so I'll quickly add them and we'll come back to you. So guys, I have attached these beads to the back side, and this is how it looks from front also, and it looks so pretty, right? And now we are going to add the hook for this from down. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm taking this 28 gauge wire and I will make a little curve over here like this. Okay, and then from here till the mid like this, I will bend it like this. So this is the kind of hook that we need to to stick to this. Now we are going to stick it over here. Also I'm taking again Fevibond glue. So I'm taking this glue and will apply it here, and will apply it here to this angle, because the knot will be like this when will be wear. So this there here should be the hook. So for the same I'm adding glue. Also add enough glue because we need to stick this metal. So for the same add enough glue, and now keep this one here like this. So this part will remain outside, and this will remain inside. So yeah, now we are going to do back finishing. So for the same I'm taking this fabric, and again we'll add a glue all over this. And now I'm going to stick this fabric on this, and I'll press it firmly, and make sure to press it here because here we have attached here that a wire as a hook. This has done, and now we are going to do some finishing over here. So we are going to add this chain to this side on the upper edges. So I'll measure how much is required. So first we'll apply to this curvy part, which is the big part. So it is coming till this, so I will cut that much. And then again I will apply this glue. And now I'm going to add this. So guys, I have attached this, and in the same way we have to attach to this side and this side, so I'll quickly do that. So guys, I have added this, and this is how it looks. Now we'll wait for this to get dry, and then we'll start with the finishing work. So guys, this has dried up, and now we are going to cut this back finishing fabric. So I'll quickly cut this. Make sure that you are cutting very properly because we have beads and wire also. So yeah, I have cutted this, and this our beautiful ring is ready. So in the same way I have made another ring also, but I have made it in a teardrop shape like this, and a very simple and elegant look. And you can also try varieties of rings, knot. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below how was your experience while making this different type of knot. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.